Most people get hacked because of one habit, using weak passwords. People using the same simple passwords everywhere or choosing something easy to guess like a birthday or a pet's name. Today we're going to break down that habit. We'll show you exactly how hackers crack weak passwords, how to build strong ones, and how to protect your account even if someone steals your password. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Here's the truth, hackers don't guess passwords manually, they use automated tools that try millions of passwords every second. If your password is short, simple, or reused, it becomes an easy target. But don't worry, once you understand how these attackers work, you'll see how simple it is to protect yourself. How password cracking really works. Let's break this down in a simple way. Imagine a machine that can try every possible password combination. Thousands, even millions every second. That's what hackers use. This is called a brute force attack. If a password is something like 123456, or password, or Glasgow 2024, it can be cracked almost instantly. But here's the good news. The stronger and more complex your password is, the harder it becomes to crack. So your goal isn't perfection, it's simply making your password long enough and unique enough that hackers move on. The strong password formula. Here's a formula for a strong password. Length and varied characters. Let's break that down. Passwords should be at least 12 characters long. The longer the password, the harder it is for automated tools to crack. Variety. Use a mixture of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This increases the number of possible combinations dramatically. Here's a real-life example. Instead of using something like Glasgow 2024, try turning it into a phrase you'll remember. Glasgow train, morning 42. It's a long, personal to you, and extremely difficult to crack. You don't need random nonsense. You just need a memorable phrase with variety. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Double protection, two-step verification. Even with a strong password, you can add another layer of protection, two-step verification, also known as 2FA. This means that even if someone steals your password, they still can't access your account without a second step, usually a code sent to your phone. To turn it on, go into your account settings, look for security or two-step verification, and follow the instructions. Test your password strength. There are safe online tools that show you how strong a password is, but remember, never enter your real password. Instead, test a similar example. Watch how a short password turns red instantly, while a long, complex one turns green. It's a great way to understand what makes a password strong. 10 unique tips nobody else tells you. Here are 10 unique tips for a stronger password. Using a sentence instead of a single word is easier to remember. Replace letters with symbols you naturally remember. Add a unique ending for each website. Avoid keyboard patterns like QWERTY, hackers know them. Never store passwords in your email drafts. Use your password manager's generator for maximum strength. Update your old passwords every 6 to 12 months. Turn on two-factor authentication for every important account. Use login alerts if a site offers them. Create a master phrase that only you understand. Strong passwords are the foundation of your digital safety. They protect your identity, your money, and your privacy. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to stay safe. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If you want to keep learning beyond this video, don't forget that we also offer a range of online courses and easy to follow ebooks. Whether you want to improve your digital safety, learn essential computer skills, or explore new apps and tools, our resources are designed to help you grow step by step. And if you'd like to keep building your confidence in technology, you can also enroll in our Wednesday digital skills classes. We're open to everyone and a great way to learn at your own pace. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.